Hi, this is Dr. Travis from Ambiente Gallerie, and today I'd like to talk to you about healthy food choices. Now, one of the things that we can make at home that's really easy to help with our diet is adding a smoothie for a snack, either in the morning or the afternoon, depending on when you make it. Now, smoothies are a great addition to your diet because it helps to add fiber. Depending on what you're putting in there, you can reduce the amount of sugar that comes in. A lot of times people think of fruit smoothies. Fruit smoothies are great, but you will have a little more sugar content, being a healthier form of sugar because it's from fruit, but still a little higher in that regard. A lot of great recipes out there with how to incorporate kale or celery, some of the other greens that you might not think of, then you can mask it with some of the fruit flavors. So one of my favorite recipes for smoothie, and this would serve 2 people. Start off with 2 bananas, throw in 1 apple, 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of frozen fruit, add some grass-fed collagen protein in there, some chia seeds, some hemp seeds, and about 2 cups of water. Blend it up in a Vitamix blender, and you're set for the day. Thank you.